Welcome Geometry students to class today on this Tuesday the 20th. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you're ready to go over some more math like we do every day. I hope that the review yesterday was a help to you. Please pay close attention to these announcements. You're responsible for what I say. And here we go. A lot of you turned in the writing assignment yesterday and the mid-chapter review, but some of you did not. So please turn in your writing assignment from yesterday and the mid-chapter review problems, page 189, numbers 1 through 20 at this time. So please stop. Make sure your name is on your homework and go ahead and turn that in now at this time, please. Incomplete. Let's see what we have for you guys. Let's see here. Haley, you must take your quiz by today. All of these things are due by today, or by Wednesday, actually, is what I said. So I think this is all Haley. So yeah, let me just kind of delete this. Delete this. There we go. Okay. So Haley, your quiz must be taken by today. Miss Carol, if there's any problems with that, let me know. If you hopefully you have a copy of that, you should. It's the one the students took last. Let me look at my lesson plans here. Last Friday, I believe, or no, last Wednesday, I think it was. Last Wednesday. So, Haley, you need to take that by today, and all of these assignments are due by Wednesday. By Wednesday, okay? Because the 9 weeks ends. All the grades have to be turned in Wednesday evening. Okay, moving on. Remember, if you're absent one day or many days, it doesn't matter. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it, okay? It is your job to stay on top of your videos while you're out absent. If you have any questions, never hesitate to contact me. Today we'll be taking a quiz, then we're going to take notes, then we're going to work on homework. I'll be honest with you, this will be one of those days where you will have a lot of work, okay? Probably a lot of homework tonight at your house. I try to be very reasonable, but tonight will probably be one of those nights. The video for today is about using congruent triangles. In other words, once you know that two triangles are congruent, how can you use this information? Remember, we have learned 4 ways to prove that two triangles are congruent. The name of the teaching video is Using Congruent Triangles, about 30 minutes long. The homework that is due tomorrow is page 193, 7, 8, 14, 15, 20 through 30. Now, let me stop and say this. Well, here's the help video real quick. Geometry Track 1, Lesson 4.5 homework, about 25 minutes long. Now, if any of you need so much time on the quiz, which I don't think you will, but that you don't get the video started or finished, it is your job at your house tonight. And Miss Carol, please catch this. Okay, listen. It is you students' job to finish the video at your house tonight and to finish your homework tonight. I told you it's going to be a tough day today. No, I don't think the quiz is going to take you a lot of time. Okay, but if it does, all of this must be done when you walk in the door tomorrow. And by the way, no criticism intended, but students, Miss Carol, there were still some papers in the folder that were not passed out. A couple of tests, Brandon Lowe's test and someone else's test. Everything in the folder should be passed out if students are there. Okay. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. Help video homework. At this time, let's go ahead and pause the video and pass out the quizzes. Once everyone has a quiz on their desk, then go ahead and restart the video. Okay, let's go over your quizzes. Obviously, numbers 1 through 4 fill in the blanks, and so hopefully you studied those. Numbers 5 through 8 are pretty simple. You're either going to put S, 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 or side, angle, side, or angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side. One of those will go in the blanks. Now, if you feel like more than one can be used, then just put one of them down. You do not want to put 2 answers, students. If you put 2 answers and they're both right, fine. If you put 2 answers and one's right and one's wrong, I'm counting it all wrong. Put 1 answer in each blank, okay? So you're to look at each diagram given to you, each figure, 5 through 8, and decide how you know if any of those can be proven congruent, and if they can't, then put cannot be proven. Okay. Now you're not doing a proof; you're just giving the reason that you know they're congruent. That's all for today, students. away, then take notes, then work on your homework. Have a great day today.